channel, Old Tech New Look. My name is Baz and I'm about to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook Go. So this is an unboxing video. Let's get the seal. Looks quite neat. So what do we have here? Just a little what's in there? Oh, tiny bit of instructions, literally 2 little slips. Inside here, on the right of it, we have, it looks like the charger itself. If we open this, yep, we have the wall charger. It's quite thick and heavy actually compared to normal chargers that you get. USB-C. So in here we have nothing, just a spacer, and the cable itself over here. I'm guessing it's USB-C to USB-C. Yep. So you've got the 2, and in here we have very nicely packed the Chromebook itself. And literally that is all that's in the box. So literally that's all in the box. The Chromebook, USB-C to USB-C, and the wall plug, which is, like I said, heavier than the normal plugs you get. And this little pack with 2 tiny little starter guides, and that is it. So having a look at this, it's fairly light. This is it. Samsung Chromebook Go. So to the right of it we have, looks like a headphone jack, and I'm not sure what that is. It's too small for USB-C, but I'll check that later. And on the opposite side you have a memory stick, USB-C, and this might be for memory card, I'm guessing. Potential memory card, or maybe SIM. I will look into that. So just as I open it, and that is it. So before I start this, anything in the comments, let me know what you want to know about this. I can test it out properly and give you a full review later. Thanks for watching, take care.